So dear friends, in this question we have to calculate the temperature. At what temperature will the reaction become spontaneous? We have to calculate the temperature at which the reaction becomes spontaneous, considering the delta H and delta S to be constant over the temperature range. Means when the temperature changes but delta H and delta S does not changes, they remain constant. Delta H and delta S remain constant as the temperature changes. So we have to calculate the temperature at which the reaction become spontaneous. So what is given in the question? For the reaction, temperature is given, reaction is 2A plus B, this gives C. So the entropy change is given and enthalpy change is given. So for the reaction, how we will calculate the temperature? So we know that at equilibrium delta G is equal to 0. So delta G is equal to 0, to delta H is equal to T delta S. So we can find the delta, so we can find the temperature at which, this is the temperature at which the reaction is in equilibrium. So reaction will be in a state of equilibrium at this temperature, and this become and will be spontaneous as the temperature become greater than this temperature, because the reaction, because enthalpy change for the reaction is positive. So as we increase the temperature, the second term become minus negative, and as we increase the temperature, the entropy change become negative. As the temperature increase, the entropy become negative because enthalpy term is positive. So second term T delta S should be more negative, and this should be more negative when the temperature increase. So at a temperature greater than 200, because at 200 reaction is in equilibrium, but when the temperature increase, delta G become negative. So this is very good question. So this is very good question to find the temperature at which the reaction becomes spontaneous. So I hope it is clear to you. When enthalpy is positive, then how we will calculate the temperature? So at a temperature greater than the temperature at equilibrium, the reaction will be spontaneous. The answer is greater than 200 in equilibrium temperature. So equilibrium temperature, greater than equilibrium temperature, is spontaneous range. Thank you.